One characteristic property of nonionic surfactants in water is cloud point, the onset of cloudiness as temperature is raised. Clouding results from decreasing hydration of oxyethylene headgroups, which leads to increasing aggregation and phase separation. Cloud points are important to surfactant formulators because these temperatures often correlate with formulation clarity and performance attributes such as increased wetting, reduced foaming, and optimal cleaning. Clouding temperature correlates reliably with surfactant structure. Cloud point increases with degree of ethoxylation, decreases as hydrophobe chains lengthen, and is influenced by hydrophobe structure in predictable ways. Cloud point is strongly affected by the addition of other surfactants and ingredients. Sodium chloride, for example, typically reduces cloud point temperature, whereas the presence of glycol-based solvent will usually increase it. Conditions matter in the measurement of cloud point. It is important to carefully review product literature in order to understand the conditions under which this property is reported. Cloud point-based surfactant selection is another example of a potential challenge faced by formulators. Turn to Stepan as your partner in solving formulation challenges.